So you might have this question, does VPN work on a hotspot on the iPhone? So when you start a Wi-Fi hotspot, is the VPN also being shared? And yes, officially it can be so, but it also depends on the VPN provider. So it is advised to read through their terms to see how exactly that works. Generally speaking, you need to ensure that the VPN is enabled before you start sharing a hotspot, but this should mean that the person connecting to that hotspot should use the very same data, which is through VPN, so it should work. For example, a couple of different websites like the NordVPN, for example, which is, by the way, not affiliated with me or anything like that, but they have an actual proper guide on how you can share a VPN via mobile hotspot, but that is using the Windows 10. So technically it is available, but as I say, you need to look it up directly on your provider's website. Ask them specifically because it might work differently through their ways and their software. So just make sure you do and follow their proper instructions and see how they have it set up. But yes, generally speaking, it should work. So this is the answer which I wanted to let you know about. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I'm not going to drag the video any longer than it needs to be. I try to go directly to the point so you can get the most information the right away. So if you like that, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you later on in the next video.